নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল মোৰ নাম পুতুল আৰু মই অসমীয়া বোৱাৰী I have been taking level 1 Assamese reading writing and level 1 Assamese speaking classes of PGI school. I really like the way Geetashri Baido teaches and how she modifies as per the needs of the student. I had been trying to get the hang of the language ever since I got married 8 years ago. Trying every book and every course out there but got no result. This inability to learn a language was somewhere hitting my confidence, and thankfully Baido and her school came as a silver lining for me. The material provided is so unique and helpful. The worksheets provided are like eating a healthy meal and not even realizing it. My mother-in-law and my husband say that they are so much satisfied with my progress, and mind you, they are both perfectionists and not so easy to please. Thank you Geetashri Baido for teaching in such a professional yet compassionate manner. You truly are my teacher guide. The kind of hard work put in by Baido is exemplary, and the fees we are paying is absolutely nothing compared to the efforts. Thank you once again, and lots of good wishes for your progress along with the school. আপোনাৰ बहुत धन्यवाद जे मोर कारणे प्रत्येक बस्तुको उजु करार कारणे আপুনি সকলোতকৈ ভাল টিচাৰ হয়। Thank you so much. Bye.